low carbon, high efficiency, intelligent. The choice of the new era. SINO Energy, with its emphasis on research and development, manufacturing, and professionalism, has received high praise from customers both domestically and internationally. Our products are for family and commercial cover in more than 70 countries and regions. Our new factory is strategically located in the vibrant city of Zhuhai, covering over 45,000 square meters, enabling us to deliver innovative EV charging infrastructure for all vehicle segments, nestled at the forefront of technological advancement. Our factory is equipped with the latest automated production facilities and staffed by a team of skilled engineers and experts dedicated to crafting high-quality charging infrastructure. From research and development to production and testing, every step of our manufacturing process adheres to the highest standards of excellence. Our factory fosters collaboration and innovation with open and collaborative workspaces, encouraging seamless cross-functional communication among our talented team for the smooth flow of ideas from conception to implementation. Welcome everyone to visit our new factory and explore opportunities for collaborative distribution partnerships.